Hi guys, this is JD and welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use English sentences. First sentence. से आम खानदान रो उत्तराधिकारी. He is our heir. He is our heir. तार जेमती किसी असुविधा न हेउ. He should not get any difficulty. He should not get any difficulty. तुमे तार ध्यान रखिबो. You will take care of him. You will take care of him. यह तुम दायित्व. It's your responsibility. It's your responsibility. तुमे जने दायित्ववान लोक. You are a responsible person. You are a responsible person. तुमे आज फांका अछ? Are you free today? Are you free today? मोर बहुत सारा काम अछि करबा को. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. आमे आज बुलिबा को जाइथिलु. We went to Rome today. We went to Rome today. एठी रोम रो अर्थ होची जे कौनसी लक्ष्य न थाए एणे तेणे बुलिबा. सचिन रो आज दुर्घटना होई गला. सचिन met with an accident today. सचिन met with an accident today. तार हाथ रे आघात लागिछि. His hand has got injured. His hand has got injured. बाइक रो आग चका हठात खसीगला. The front tire of bike slipped suddenly. The front tire of bike slipped suddenly. वर्षा जोगु चका खसीगला. The tire slipped due to rain. The tire slipped due to rain. मोते दोष देनी. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मोर एबे भी विश्वास हेउनी. I'm still not believing. I'm still not believing. तांको कथारे आसो नाही बा तांको कथारे विश्वास करो नाही. सेंटेंस टी एमते हबो. Don't get into his talks. Don't get into his talks. Or we can say don't believe his words. Don't believe his words. से तुमको विभ्रांत करूछंती. He is distracting you. He is distracting you. से ऋण रे अछि बा ताको बहुत किसी ऋण सुझिबा को अछि. He is in debt. He is in debt. तुमे परे पछतैबो बा तुमे परे अनुताप करिबो. You will regret later. You will regret later. तुमको गोटे सुजोग मिलिछि बा तुमरो गोटे सुजोग अछि. You have got a chance. You have got a chance. तार पसंद भलो बा तांकर भलो पसंद भलो जिंस सब पसंद करंती. आमे एमती कहबा इंग्लिश रे. He is a man of good taste. He is a man of good taste. तुम दुई जन का भीतर किसी कथावार्ता नहीं. You both are not on speaking terms. You both are not on speaking terms. तुमरो तांको सांग छाड़िबा उचित नुह. You should not leave his company. You should not leave his company. कंपनी अर्थ कहा सांग मिलामिशा करबा बा कहा सहित सांग हेबा. से मोर बहुत अंतरंग सांग बा घनिष्ठ सांग. He is my chum. He is my chum. तुमरो कौन असुविधा हेउची? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तुमे उदास लागुछ बा तुमे दुखी लागुछ. You seem to be upset. You seem to be upset. मु एबे आउ छोट पिला होई नाही. I'm not a child now. I'm not a child now. ମୁଁ ରୋଷେଇ କରିବା ଜାଣିନି। I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook. ଏହାର ସ୍ୱାଦ କେମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି? How does it taste? How does it taste? ଖାଦ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ମସଲାଦାର ବା ବହୁତ ମସଲାଯୁକ୍ତ। Food is very spicy. Food is very spicy. ମୁଁ ଘରୁ ବାହାରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ବା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଘରୁ ବାହାରିବି। I'm about to leave home. I'm about to leave home. ତୁମେ ତୁମ ନିଜ କାମ କର ବା ତୁମ ନିଜ କାମରେ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଅ। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ବାଟ କେଉଁଠି? Where is exit? Where is exit? ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଫସି ଯାଇଛି। I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here. ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଭଟକୁଛି ବା କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ବାଟ ନ ପାଇ ବୁଲିବା ତାକୁ ଭଟକିବା ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। I'm wandering here. I'm wandering here. ଏଥିରେ ହସିବାର କ'ଣ ଅଛି? What is there to laugh? What is there to laugh? ମୋତେ ହସ ଲାଗୁଛି ବା ମୋତେ ହସିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଉଛି। I feel like laughing. I feel like laughing. ସେ ବହୁତ ଜଣାଶୁଣା ଲୋକ। He is a well-known person. He is a well-known person. ଏମିତି ଭାବନି। Don't think so. Don't think so. ଏଭଳି କାମ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't do such activities. Don't do such activities. ନିଜକୁ ସୁଧାରି ନିଅ। Improve yourself. Improve yourself. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇ ପାରେ କି? Could I take a photo with you? Could I take a photo with you? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକାର? Where are you from? Where are you from? ମୁଁ ଆମେରିକାର। I'm from America. I'm from America. ଭାରତ ଆସି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିପରି ଲାଗିଲା? How did you feel coming to India? How did you feel coming to India? ଏଠିକାର ଲୋକମାନେ କିପରି? How are people here? How are people here? ସେମାନେ କିପରି ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲେ? How did they behave? How did they behave? ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲ ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲେ। All behaved well. All behaved well. ଆପଣ ଏଠି କେବେ ଯାଏ ରହିବେ? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? ଏବେ ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି? Where are you staying now? Where are you staying now? ମୁଁ ଏଠି କେଉଁ ଜାଗାକୁ ସବୁ ବୁଲି ଯାଇପାରିବି? Where all can I visit here? Where all can I visit here? ଆପଣ କୋଣାର୍କ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କି? Have you been to Konark? Have you been to Konark? So that's it guys. I hope you will find this video very helpful. So please like this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing. Bye.